everybody, welcome back to Forrest Speed Shop. So today we're going to give you reasons why the Toyota Rav4 is the best off-road vehicle out there. Let's get to it. We got Chris helping us out today. He's gonna show us, yeah, he's gonna be the driver. So our first thing today is going to be right over here, this big hill climb. And you know, the camera doesn't do it any justice. It's a lot steeper than you think. So
that's true.
We're gonna have Chris come drive this thing up here in first gear and just, you know, see how it does. So, as you can see,
it's pretty easy.
Yeah, pretty easy.
Very easy.
What else is back here?
That might be the hardest thing.
You explain it.
Okay, well, so Rock Creek Resort is this resort here, and they hired us to give a like a virtual tour during these COVID times, these unprecedented times, because as you can see, no one's really buying lots here. I mean, it's just dead. So they said, hey, this Rav4 is very cool, and they called us over here, and yeah, we're just gonna go through it. Now, this vehicle does exceed the sound limit that the community has, but we don't care about that today because we are special guests
with our diesel sounding Rav4. Don't replace those damaged wheels.
Sorry.
Don't replace your damaged wheels.
Just drive with them.
That's what we do. Here at Forrest Speed Shop, don't replace your damaged wheels, just drive on them. It'll be cheaper.
Get more use out of them.
Yes. Hey, did you notice the power steering's not making as much noise?
Yeah, it's not. It actually worked.
I guess.
I'll make this decent turn, and it's not like ear raid.
So this is the main road of Rock Creek, right?
Yeah, the north part of Rock Creek.
Yeah.
So the north part is kind of like the podunk part. No one lives here because it's not as nice.
Because people drive with their doors open.
They let people like us in. That's
yes.
why. South part is.
God, it really gets lost.
I was just shifting up, so like it'd be a little quieter, but it just got louder.
Yes. You should put it in fifth and show them the diesel. Diesel truck time. We're driving a Cummins.
Alright, we get some nice houses.
Okay, so here are the really nice houses.
Looking over the double wide mobile home.
Yes, the double wide mobile home.
That's what you get in Texas. But you can live here too.
Yeah, that's pretty. But you know, here's the Rock Creek Resort
Gas
boat
station
ramp.
And boat ramp.
Yeah.
And we're coming up on civilization here, so we're gonna hit a hard left turn.
Yeah, so we're gonna hop off. There's a trail right over there that we're gonna go out on. So
civilized people drive Lincolns.
Yeah, civilized people who drive nice cars.
Rav4s.
But you know, we're cool people, so we drive a cool car that has 69 painted all over the sides. So Marino's not responsible or liable for accident or injury. Oh yeah, for those of you who don't know, the front right tire got painted blue. I don't think I've done a video on it since it's got painted. My dad decided to paint he decided to paint that front right tire blue for no reason. Does that boat over there look like it's beached?
It does look like it's beached. Hello, boat. No, it's not.
It's not, but it looks like it.
I wish we could get like on the beach and drive like.
I think we can drive on the beach. The water's
not a good idea though.
No, it's a terrible idea. We should definitely just drive out on that sand right there.
A little further out. Oh. No. Little further, I think. Oh, I hope it gets out of here. No. Oh my God. Sticks. Try it. Oh yeah, now you're stuck. Now you're definitely stuck. Alright, get the phone out, Dad.
I mean, all he has to do is just yank us out of there.
Check this out, boys.
So, we beached the Rav. I still say that it is the ultimate off-road vehicle. We're just on street tires, so that's why we got stuck, you know? Not due to us being idiots or anything. No, not at all, not at all. But our dads are actually here, fun fact. We were very surprised. So they're coming with a chain and they're gonna pull us out. There they are. I was thinking we just yank the crap out of it.
Hey, Michael. Ain't no chain back here.
Oh, it's in the pickup.
No. Good old street tires.
Hey, that's got good tread. What the hell are you talking about?
Oh, it does. It has good nut.
Dumbass, it drove it down.
Hey, it has great tread to dig itself in. There goes my hero. Watch him as he goes. Well,
Valuable.
yeah. So the dads are going to go grab the truck.
Because they got all the way over here
And realized they didn't have the chain. Just leave that in there, it's fine. Yeah, they got all the way over here and realized that they did not have a chain in the Kubota. So they're coming back with the truck, a chain, the Kubota, and another chain, just in case. So we'll see you guys when that happens. All right, so we got the Kubota hooked up. We're just gonna yank it. It's a big old chain hooked to a tiny chain, but you know. Yank it! Just yank it. Hey, you're gonna have to yank it. He's gonna have to yank. Yeah! Yes!
I put tension on it, but as soon as I did it was like...
I told you, just yank it.
That's what I did.
Chris, it's unstuck.
I know. You didn't video any of the part where they were pulling us out, right?
I did.
You got the part where we got ourselves out?
Oh yeah, where the raft just like turned itself, drove itself out.
Well, no, actually, it didn't really. We had to put we installed some knobby tires.
Oh yeah.
For real quick, and then we took them off.
We put on some super swampers, and then after we put on those super swampers, it just like drove itself right out there, you know? Top tier off-road vehicle, right? That's what the Rav. I mean, this is a two-wheel drive model, and it can do anything your four-wheel drive vehicles can.
Front wheel drive, right? Not rear wheel.
Yeah.
That's what
It's not rear wheel, it's front wheel, so it's just like way better, you know? It's also a great rally car. As you've seen in previous videos, this thing kind of just flies.
It's also great for attention. I'm going to drive by
yeah,
people.
you know, you get these people right here.
Hello.
Hello. That was so funny. We just had a guy stare us down, like literally just the mean eyes just the whole time we drove by.
No, I didn't come out into the country to hear that. That's what I left the city for. Hey Porsche, up me. You think your car's loud?
No way. Please tell me that's not a car.
I know.
Okay, Rock Creek. Rock Creek security. He's calling us right now. He probably can't hear us.
I know. Your dad has to drive that thing back.
I know. It sounds fast.
I know.
All right, low water crossing time. This is to prove once and for all that the Toyota RAV4 is the ultimate off-road vehicle. Even better than this thing. For it! Y'all didn't grab the chain, did you?
Hey, they're in the truck. It's fine.
See if you can back it up. Just like floor it and reverse.
Floor and reverse.
It broke my zip ties.
Oh my god! That is hilarious!
Reverse it out of there.
Hey Chris, how did it decent?
Top tier, right?
It's decent.